Okay, so for today we will make a division table. Okay, so I put first the division sign, then the one starting from one, and also the two, the three, four, five, and six. Okay, so challenge of fill in or putting in numbers. Okay, inside this table. Then let's start by 1. So 2 divided by 1 is 2, 3 divided by 1 is 3, 4 divided by 1 is 4, 5 divided by 1 is 5, and going to 6. So I already finished the second column. The next to the third column. So by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I'm in the fourth column by 3. So 1 divided by 3 is 0.333. So that was continuous. I get the two decimal places. So 2 divided by 3 is 0.67. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 divided by 3 is 1.33. And then next to 5 and 6.